Okay, so I got this Gunship. That's the only thing I can read, and I don't know the name, and I can't find the product, so I don't know, man. I don't know what the price is. I don't know anything about this product. Actually, maybe. Well, I know it's from Microworld. Yeah, it's from Microworld. Actually, I'll try to research it in one order, as you can tell. Scorpion Fighter Aircraft Avatar. Cannot be ordered because it's out of stock. If you wanted it, I'm sorry, guys. You'll probably find it on like eBay or something. But it won't be reordered for you. This is it, the gunship from Avatar. Scorpion. It even says Scorpion. Yeah, actually, now that I see it definitely the gunship from Avatar. I never understood why these guns are these guns, like the focal point would be like right here. These rings make no sense. Do they spin? They don't spin. They should spin. I feel like they should spin. There we go. Pockets. This is the stand. I'm pretty sure I can take the stand out, as I always do, and go soon. Isn't that how they shoot stuff? Go like right in front of the face and be like. Pretty sure that's how it works. And then with the big tree, they shoot these rockets. Like they had like a whole bunch of them. I'm gonna stop. I'm too childish. This is the back of the box, by the way. Cockpit. Key.